I've come to Milan on a pilgrimage to one of the great wonders of the world. With me, I brought my cameras and my wife to capture every detail, from its awe-inspiring exterior to the sacred art within. This is home to what I believe is the most breathtaking architectural masterpiece ever created. There is no similar construction in the world. It took 600 years to complete, with the combined effort of countless architects, thousands of builders, and master artists to create this marvel, the Duomo di Milano. Even from the outside, the cathedral is breathtaking, with its thousands of statues and doors filled with intricate historical details. But the true shock is the moment you step inside. You're immediately struck by the sheer immensity of the space and a feeling of your own smallness within it. Now imagine the people from 200 or 400 years ago. What an overwhelming impression it must have made, having never seen a building taller than a few stories. The cathedral's arches, curved with infinite delicacy, reveal hundreds of details to the careful observer. The colors are matched in infinite variations, and the stained glass windows are like luminous paintings, telling the biblical story piece by piece. As the sun's angle and the weather change outside, the colors and the very feeling of the space shift with it, creating a unique moment for every visitor. It truly takes at least 2 or 3 hours to walk around, sit down, and fully absorb the grandeur and richness of this human masterpiece. Beyond the stories told by its statues and niches, many believe the Duomo holds even deeper secrets, encoded messages left behind by secret societies. It's a place of fascinating contradictions. A church that houses a functional zodiac sundial, a tiny dragon carved into its holy facade, and ancient statues that stand as silent witnesses to a time before the discovery of the New World. And it holds a secret that draws pilgrims from around the world. Tucked away in a vaulted niche 40 meters above the floor, invisible to most, rests the Santo Chiodo, the Holy Nail. This is not just any artifact. Tradition says it is one of the nails that pierced the hands or feet of Christ on the cross. The cathedral's history runs even deeper. It was built on the site of an ancient sacred temple, and many of its oldest stories are waiting to be discovered in the catacombs below. Beyond the Duomo's famous secret crypts, another adventure awaits outside. Here you can enter through a side entrance and ascend the original ancient stairways. As you climb, you're walking on history itself, on stones hauled from quarries over 100 kilometers from Milan. The climb to the first terrace is about 200 steps, a journey that rewards you with stunning views but demands a little preparation. I recommend bringing water for the thirst you'll inevitably work up. Reaching this point, you are rewarded with a breathtaking panorama and an intimate look at the intricate details of this masterpiece. You are standing on the roof, a vast landscape of marble spanning 8,000 square meters. This makes the Milan Duomo the only cathedral in the world with a walkable surface of this magnitude, a truly unique feature. This unparalleled vantage point offers spectacular views of Milan's center, and more importantly, lets you come face to face with the cathedral's own artistry, the soaring pinnacles, the graceful flying buttresses, and its legendary gargoyles. Carved into these monstrous, fantastical forms, dragons, demons, and sirens. These gargoyles were more than mere decoration. Like in many medieval structures, they served an apotropaic purpose, to protect the sacks. I truly recommend spending at least 1 full hour on this sacred roof. Find a spot to sit down, relax, and look around you. In your silence, you will feel the soul of ancient Milan flowing through you. For the best experience, plan to arrive early. You'll not only avoid the biggest crowds, but also the intense heat of the midday sun. And don't worry, the climb isn't mandatory. For those who prefer, an elevator is located on the side of the Duomo, offering direct access to the rooftops. It's helpful to know that while a basic ticket for the cathedral interior costs around €12, the full terrace experience is a separate ticket. Expect to pay about €26 to ascend on foot, or €32 for the elevator. So, the next time you're in Milan and you gaze up at this masterpiece, remember, you're not simply admiring a cathedral, you are witnessing the tangible power of a dream, the incredible strength of human artistry and dedication built over centuries. It stands as an eternal reminder that together we are capable of the impossible.